Hi YouTube. That's Nia. We're at the basketball game. We're gonna be recording. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. It's gonna be a long night, but I'm ready.
You think they're gonna win?
Not really, no.
Neither girls or boys?
No.
Oh shit. Well, I guess we shall see what happens. And we'll record the whole thing. Well, not the whole thing, but little snippets here and there. We're still setting up, but yeah. We'll talk to y'all later. So unfortunately, I couldn't film the entire game because I was working, but I will post the men's score right here. And if you enjoyed this content, make sure you leave it in the comments below. And always like, comment, share, subscribe, and click that bell so that you guys know when I post up a new video. All right, bye.